Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good Thursday morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us here on Sunrise. The time now is 6:46. This morning we are waking up to sunshine, but also we have some low stratocumulus clouds out there. You can see those little lumpy low clouds overlooking downtown Columbus into Vernon outside Dern's Pharmacy. But in places like Louisville into Tupelo, you can see a little bit of that sunshine trying to peek through. I promise you, this is just the start of what's going to be a fantastic next few days for us. You can see those clouds being picked up on the satellite this morning, but as you can see, for the first time in days, none of those greens or orange or red colors that signify rain in the radar. So that is just a sign of great things to come. That stationary boundary front that we were talking about a few days ago that kept our weather just unsettled all week long has now pushed down to the south into the Gulf of Mexico and into Florida. High pressure is building into the Ohio Valley region, and that's going to play a role in not just with our weather, but also a warming trend with our temperatures as we head into the next several days. This morning, it is a little nippy out there as you're heading out the door on this May 13th morning as we're waking up to the upper 40s to lower to mid 50s. Dew points, 40s, 50s. That's just signifying how dry it is in our atmosphere. And that's also going to play a role in our temperatures as the drier the air gets, it's going to determine of how warm and how cool it's going to get into the afternoon and into the evening hours when we get that daytime heating going. So for today, with that return to the sunshine, we're going to get that daytime heating, but also with that light north wind coming in at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, it is going to allow those high temperatures to only top out in the lower to mid 70s today. But you know what? This is a slight improvement compared to us being in the 60s throughout the first half of the week. And then eventually we're going to get up to the 80s by the weekend as our winds will switch up from the north to the south as this high pressure system moves to the south and to the east of us. So the latest hour by hour forecast is picking up the clouds to break up here sometime after midday. Maybe a few of those high wispy cirrus clouds will stick around as we head into tonight and into the overnight hours. But as you can see, by tomorrow morning, we are going to have clear skies, and that's what's going to allow those temperatures to bottom out tomorrow morning in the upper 40s. So you will need to maybe warm up those cars for a few minutes tomorrow morning and also grab that light sweater as you're heading out the door. But by midday, look how fantastic it's looking. Again, we're going to probably see a few of these high wispy cirrus clouds try to push through here. But overall, it is going to be a great weekend with mostly sunny skies and those temperatures continuing to warm up into the 70s and into the 80s. And then we're going to see a return of showers and storms next week.